Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, from Standard 7 English Medium, topic number 4 means the chapter number 4. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is Adjectives. The same. Okay. So, today, one more activity. Explanation and activity. Okay. Now, what is here given? Uses of adjectives. Adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. Here I discuss with you adjectives of number and quantity. So here given the types of adjectives here: any, some, a few, the few, little, a little. In the next page, in this page here, any, some, few, a few, the few. Discuss and used these adjectives where and the example of the adjectives. Let's see. Any adjective, any use. Any is where we use in negative sentence we use. Where we use any in negative sentence. I don't have any work right now. I don't have any work. Okay. So where we use any with negative means given the negative sentence. Okay. One more example. I don't have time to read. I don't have time to read. I don't have time to read. This is the sentence I use anywhere. I don't have any. Okay, I don't have any time to read. Okay, if have some, we use some time, but it's different. Okay, but is use any. Using the negative sentence, we use any. Okay, now use the somewhere in affirmative sentence means at last we put the full stop. Starting with the subject means subject, verb, object, and at the last we use the full stop. That is the affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence, when a positive answer is expected from a question. Okay, how? See, I have some biryani left from last night's dinner. That is the positive answer required. Some biryani. Talk about some biryani. Okay, some means some, not more. Do you want some help in carrying those books to the library? Some is used with countable and uncountable noun. I have some time for it. You don't have any time. I have some time. I have some time. Time is uncountable noun using before that is this example. Okay, I have some time for reading, for doing my work. And use somewhere. He uses some trick. Some tricks. She uses some tricks for the children. She or he uses some tricks for some is used. Tricks is countable nouns, so uses this. He uses some tricks for children. So use some forward for countable and uncountable noun. Where use Then few, a few, the few. These three use forward for countable nouns in a sentence. We use these three. A few refers to handful or some. Handful or some. Few refers to almost none and virtually zero. Okay. How? See, I can lend you some books from a few that I have. I have some books. I have given you few. Not all, some, but few. Less than some. Okay. I have a few pens. I have a few pens. That is the example of. I have a few pens. That is the example of a few. Okay. Now see, I have to buy some storybooks this year as I have few books at home. Means hardly any. Okay. If given he had 100 books at home, or 10 books at home, only out of 100 he had only 5, so or 1. So it's she had or he had some books, but how refers to none or virtually zero. Okay, now see what is the example of few books. I can give away the few books that I have to the school. Okay, now give the example of few. I have few pens. I have few pens means I have rarely one pen or none pen. Few pen means rarely one or none pen. Okay, that is we use few means none or zero. That's the few where we use. I can give away the few books that I have to the school library when I go away. Means all of them, though small in numbers, not all but small in numbers, going through small in numbers to give, where we use the few. Okay, then next, little, a little and the little. For uncountable noun we use little money, little money, little water, little money, little water, little thing, not little water, little oil, where we use the with the uncountable nouns. Okay, there was little information on the subject, means no information. Little means no. Them as the few, we use few for the countable nouns, little as uncountable nouns. Little information. Now means the given as what? Negative, hardly any. Okay, now see, a little. There is a little tea left in the teapot. Would you like to have it? Means some, though a very small quantity. If given a cup, okay, this is the cup, given here a little. This is the little tea. Okay, here given the cup, it's a little tea. Where we use a little, a little. That is, we use little tea in a cup. Okay, so it's a small quantity. How? Small quantity. And we use the little sugar that you added to the tea is just perfect, means all of it, though less in quantity. Okay, perfect. Less in quantity, the little sugar less in quantity that you added to the tea is just perfect, means perfectly added. Okay, not much, not less, is perfectly added. There we use the little. Comes to many to indicate the number of countable nouns. Many years ago. Countable noun we use many days, many years. Okay, there lived a queen called Sultana Razia. Many years ago, many days before, many days after, we use many. I have many pens, she has many chocolates, so use many for the countable nouns. Now much means much to indicate the quantity of the uncountable noun. Okay, where we use much oil, much time. Here given much time has been spent in planning the event. We use month for the uncountable noun. Here given the activity. See, fill in the blanks with correct forms of adjectives of number and quantity. Here given the 8 blanks. Okay, we using these adjectives. Which adjectives? Little, a little, the little, many, much, some, any, few, a few, and the. A few and the few. Okay, so here given the 8 blanks. Let's see. The students of class 7, talking about the students of class 7 are planning to buy blank books and flowers for their class teacher. Here what we use here, see, after blanks, after this blank given the countable nouns, books and flowers. Okay, books and flowers. So in this blank, the students of class 7, okay, they are planning to buy. they are planning to buy this countable thing. So what here we use, which countable noun we use some. We use some books and flowers for their class teacher. Okay. Now comes to the second. I don't have, see the negative here given. I don't have blank pages left in my school diary. If given in negative, so what we write? We write any. What? Any blank pages left in my school diary. Comes to the third. In the third, how blank sweets can you eat at a time? Okay, given after the blank given the countable noun. So how, then what comes? Given question is given at last. So here use many. How many sweets can you eat at a time? Okay. Now comes to the number 4. You don't have blank time left. Okay, you don't have blank time left for the preparation for exam. You don't have, what we use here in the 4th, you don't have here given the time. Okay, so here we use much. He has less time, so much time left for the preparation for exam. Now comes to the 5. In the number 5, your examination is going to begin in blank days. Okay, blank days. Examination is going to begin. Already begin, going on, begin, will begin. Okay, so blank days. Here we use a few. Why? Because it is countable. Days are countable. So we use a few for the 5th. Number 6. You have to complete your syllabus within blank days that are left. So we already given in the 5th a few. The 6th, same as what we write, a few in 6. A few. Now come to the 7. Could you please allow me blank time? Time is given C. Uncountable now. Okay. For the submission of my project. Could you please allow me? Allow me. Okay. Allow me what? Given time. Not more, but a little time. A little time for the submission of my project. And last, how do you plan to finish the project within this? Here given also time, but we do not use a little, we use here little time. What? Little time. Let's revise. See, in the first blank use what? Use some. Why? Because books and flowers is countable now. That is why some of we use here some. Here negative sentence is given, so use any. Here question with how, so use many. Why? Because sweets are countable. Here use time, uncountable noun, but here not more given, so much is used. Okay, in the 5th number will begin, so here use a few. Why? Because days are countable, that is why use a few. In the 7 and 8, in the 7th sentence give time but not more. Okay, so given time, time is uncountable noun, so we use a little. And in the last one not given the time. Okay, time is uncountable, so use little, means less time. Okay, so this is the explanation of the chapter number 4, adjectives. I hope you understand about these adjectives. Thank you for listening me.